Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm currently packing a bait called pack bait around my weight. It's a method of chumming without throwing corn in and wasting your bait. You mix oatmeal, jello, vanilla extract, and sweet corn with a little bit of water in a container. Pack it around your weight, cast out, and then it chums the area and you get a better hookup. One thing about the pack bait, you want to take your hook with your bait and push it into the pack bait so it doesn't swing around and risk throwing your corn off of your hook. As you can see, I'm gently going to toss this to the other side of the river, put it in my rod holder, and wait for a fish. We send baits across the river right out in front of us, as far as we can throw it, as short as we can throw it. River fishing is the way to go.
I usually put the motherfucker down and grab the string. Ain't done that, only got a couple more fish left. It's got a bungee cord wrapped all around it though, so I mean it should be good.